This Ilovfeot Nonstick frying pan skillet 11-inch Saute pan aims to be a helpful tool in your kitchen. It is designed for everyday cooking. The pan features a non-stick surface, so food should slide off easily. This can make cooking simpler and clean up faster. The stay cool handle is a thoughtful component, because it helps you to hold the pan safely while you cook. The Ilovfeot Nonstick frying pan skillet 11-inch Saute pan is also made with healthy cooking in mind. It is PFOA free, which is a good thing. This means no harmful chemicals should get into your food as you cook. The pan is also induction compatible. This adds to its usefulness, because it can be used on different types of stovetops. It seems like a versatile option for many home cooks and their daily kitchen shenanigans. Thinking about adding this to your kitchen? The Ilovfeot Nonstick frying pan skillet 11-inch Saute pan could be a solid choice. It promises easy cooking and cleaning, and the stay cool handle is a nice touch for safety. While I don't have specific data on its long-term performance or origin, the features suggest it could be a reliable pan for your daily needs. It is designed to be a chef pan for everyone, not just professionals. Pros: non-stick 11-inch size, Saute pan style, stay cool handle, healthy stone, good for chefs. Induction ready, PFOA free, easy cooking, simple cleanup. Cons: can scratch easily, metal utensils not recommended, lifespan may be limited, potential for chemical release, uneven heating possible, not ideal for searing, can't build fond, some may find it less durable. Features: non-stick surface 11-inch size, stay cool handle, healthy stone cookware, induction compatible, PFOA free, aluminum and steel, easy to clean, even heat, less oil needed. This Ilovfeot 11-inch frying pan is great for cooking because food doesn't stick to it, and it's easy to clean. The handle stays cool when you're cooking, so you won't burn your hand. It's made with healthy stone material and doesn't have harmful PFOA chemicals. You can use it on all kinds of stoves, even the ones that use magnets. Induction: it heats up evenly, so your food cooks well, and you don't need to use a lot of oil. This pan is made of aluminum and steel. This 11-inch Ilovfeot Saute pan is designed for easy cooking and simple cleanup thanks to its non-stick, healthy stone coating, which is also PFOA free. It has a stay cool handle and works on induction cooktops, making it suitable for chefs. However, the non-stick surface can scratch easily, so metal utensils should not be used, and its lifespan might be limited. There's also a chance of uneven heating and potential chemical release over time. And it's not the best for searing or building fond, with some users finding it less durable.